Next, we will show you how to complete your exhibitor profile. First, go to Company Information and fill in the required details, including general information, location, social media accounts, and the contact information of the company's representative. In the Multimedia section, upload your company's logo and an additional image that represents your business. An example will be shown next. Finally, click Save Information. If your company offers products, go to Products and select Add Product. Enter the product name, price, currency, category, select up to 5 tags, and add a brief description. Then, in the Multimedia section, upload a main product image and, if desired, additional images in the gallery. An example will be shown next. Once completed, click Save. Repeat this process for each product you wish to register. If your company offers services, go to Services and select Add Service. Enter the service name, price, currency, category, select up to 5 tags, and add a brief description. Next, upload a main image that represents the service and, optionally, additional images in the gallery. An example will be shown next. Finally, click Save. Repeat this procedure for each service you wish to add. If your company offers both products and services, complete both sections by following the same steps. Once you have finished, your exhibitor profile will be successfully completed.